So the first thing you want to do with your grill is clean off the grill grate while the grill is still cool. Now most of you are probably familiar with this wire bristle brush, and these are great while they're new. However, as they tend to age, the wire bristles tend to fall out of the brush. So there are better alternatives to use, and one of those alternatives is this pumice stone specifically meant for your grill. It's a very soft pumice stone, and as you use it, it will form to the grill grate. This is one of my personal favorites, but you also want to wipe off the grill grate after you use it because some of the particles can come off. Now you can also use one of these scrubber brushes, easily found in most of your hardware stores throughout the country. And again, this is not a metal bristle brush, so anything that falls off will melt away. Now in a desperate situation, if you don't have any of these newer options, you can use just a simple piece of crumpled tin foil and use that to scrape off your grill. So after you've cleaned off your grill grate, the next thing you want to do is oil the grate. Now again, you want to do this while it's cool, so I like to oil the grill grate one more time before I add my food. Now that the grill is hot though, you have to use a pair of tongs and an oiled paper towel. Be cautious though, it can flame up.